Finding the courage to change. It's a disease. When I have a family member who has the flu, I don't blame them for feeling poorly. I sympathize with their shakes, fever, and chills. I do my best to support them in a way that seems appropriate. If necessary, I might even take them to the hospital. When there is illness in my house, I also take precautions so that I don't get ill. I wash my hands. I do extra cleaning. I make sure that I get plenty of rest. I eat well to support my immune system. I avoid foods that I know have negative effects. Alcoholism, addiction, depression, and other mental illnesses are all diseases. But we forget that the family members also catch a disease when exposed to these illnesses. We catch the disease of codependency and dysfunction. If I live with dysfunctional people, I'm going to develop predictable patterns of behavior. I use these patterns to feel safe and to have some control over my life. I'll become a people pleaser, an appeaser, and a manipulator. I'll master the use of the emotional weapons of judgment, resentment, and blame. When I'm affected by the disease of codependency, I'm driven by my feelings of fear and insecurity. It's time for me to face my disease. I'm a raging codependent. I have these patterns of thought and behavior. I caught codependency from exposure to another disease. This is a statement of fact, not an indictment. The antidote is simple. I have total power over my habits of thought and behavior. With practice, I can learn to live successfully with my disease. I'm doing my best to recover. We're all in this together.